Welcome to the Online Educator Certificate Program. This quick video will show you how to navigate the course. When you log into the course, you will land on the home page. Here you will find a short welcome message, a link to this video, and shortcut buttons to the weekly modules. The most recent announcement will be at the top of the page. There are several navigation links along the left side of the screen. Below home is announcements. There is currently one announcement posted. A new announcement will be posted the first day of the course, and there will be at least 2 or 3 announcements each week. Be sure to check the announcements each time you log into the course. The next navigation link is syllabus. There is a link to the entire syllabus as a Google Doc, and Canvas automatically creates a course summary for all of the assignments in the course. The next navigation link is modules. All of the content for OEC is located here. You will notice that we have the settings, so you are forced to move through the pages in sequential order. The great part of this tool in Canvas is you will see a viewed and green check marks on the pages you have viewed, and a view and empty circles on the pages you have not viewed. The Welcome and Week 1 modules are currently available. The upcoming modules are set to time release. Starting on the first page in the Welcome module, Canvas has a Next button on the bottom of each page to move to the next page. This is similar to turning pages in a traditional book. There are several pages with tabbed information. This is another great tool to utilize in Canvas using HTML code. Be sure to click each tab before clicking the Next button at the bottom of the page. The next navigation link is Discussions. The Online Cafe Lounge is an open forum to post general questions about the course. The next navigation link is Grades. Each of the facilitators will be posting grades in a timely fashion. If you have any questions or concerns about a score, do not hesitate to email us. We are here to work with you during this professional development course. I hope you have found this navigation video helpful. Best of luck during the 10-week Online Educator Certificate Program.